Hello again. We're now estimating trimmer studs. We're still working with that 30-foot wall, and now we're going to be figuring out how many extra additional trimmer studs or extra studs that I'll need to be able to put for corners, openings, and intersecting walls. So I'm just going to start off with that same 30-foot wall that we had. And here we go. So I'm saying we have the 130-foot wall. Okay, I'm going to add a window here. I'm going to add a door here. And then I'm also going to add a intersecting wall coming right down this section here. And like I said, and I'm going to add a corner here and a corner here. So right now, this is, like I said, my corners. This is my opening number 1. Opening number 2. This is also a corner. And this is going to be an intersecting wall. So now let's find out how many additional studs we need for this wall that now has corners, openings, and intersecting walls. So I'm going to count how many. I'm going to start with C for corners, O for openings, and I for intersecting walls. So some people like to use the letter T also, but for our purposes, I'll go ahead and go with the I. So once again, we have how many corners? We said that we had 2 corners. So that would have been, let me see if I can find a highlighter here. 1, 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. And now how many openings? We have 1, 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Now how many intersecting walls? 1. So times 2 equals 2. So here we have a total of 4, 8, 9, 10 additional studs that we can use for our corners, our openings, and our intersecting walls. So once again, just to do the math, 30 times 0.75 equal to 22.5. 23 plus 1 is 24 plus an additional 10. This wall would take 34 studs if it had 2 corners, 2 openings, and 1 intersecting wall.